Yes, it's beautiful. It's peaceful. It's solitary. Hardly anybody around. The Folly River and the Folly Beach. However, the main reason I come here is to breathe this air off the ocean here. Is some of the purest. It comes across. There's no island between here and the Straits of Gibraltar. It comes out of the Straits of Gibraltar and directly over here over the Sargasso Sea, the ocean, the Gulf Stream, ocean purifiers. And I've read several times that breathing is the most important thing. Breathing really deeply is one of the most important preventative cures for COVID. Breathe deeply, really deeply. Here, boy, it's so good. It's so good. Stay safe. Peace.